Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix your face unlock when it's not working on your OPPO Find X9. At first we have to have our phone unlocked, of course, and now we need to move to the settings. Here, scroll down to the security and privacy, scroll down to the device unlock, and here go to the face and fingerprint unlock. Tap face in the top left corner, here enter your passcode, and now as you can see at the top we do have face data. Tap delete over here and tap delete. But you have to of course tap it, not miss it. Now tap add face, add now, and keep your face within the frame. That's everything you have to do. And now you can check if your face unlock does work. As you can see, mine is. So, ensure good lighting during setup and use if it doesn't work for you. And clean the front camera lens over here. Now, everything should be working fine. But if your phone still doesn't work fine, what I do recommend is to go into the settings back again. And here scroll the way down to this 7 update. Tap software update. And here, now if you do have any updates, update your phone. It may fix your issue. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.